Terremoto, an overview. For the drink, see Terremoto beverage. For the seismic movement, see earthquake. Terremoto is the fifth studio album from Italian rock band Letfuba and the band's most hard rock album. It continues on the way started with previous album El Diablo to harden the music, with the massive use of distorted guitars that contrasts with the new wave pop rock performed on the three first albums. Lyrics are also stronger and refer to social and political criticism. It is the second chapter of the tetralogy of elements started on El Diablo. It is dedicated to Earth. It was produced by Alberto Pirelli. Track listing: Dimmi Unknown 341, Mother 454, Flutter Morgana 513, Soldi 349, Fire and Solna 438, Tina Sur 347, Prima Guardia 456, El Mistero di Giulia 557, Salto El Volcano 450. Personnel: Piero Pal vocals, Roberto Tosni bass, Kiko Renzulli guitars, Antonio Elzi keyboards, Franco Caforio drums, Fabrizio Simonchini recording and mixing. Produced by Alberto Pirelli. References: Thank you for watching our video on Terremoto, brought to you by Curific. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.